Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. In today's video I am going to show you how I draw figures. Now I will break down these complex shapes into simple forms. Okay, we're going to be drawing boxes, cylinders, 3D forms basically to get the mannequin of the figures we are going to draw. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is a new set of pencils that I've got, and as you can see, it's made from Holland. It's Brazil. I've tried this a couple times and I think it's really good. The pencils are very light, they are not heavy at all. Now you can see the grades here from 2H to 9B. So this is what we've got. Now in this video I'll be using the 7B, which is here. All right, so we're gonna start with this one here, and we're gonna draw the mannequin. Then we will add maybe details, but I think it's better to just focus on the mannequin. The way I'm going to be drawing these figures is to use these three shapes: a box, a cylinder, an oval. These three basic shapes are the fundamental to draw anything. You can make complex shapes out of these shapes. The human body is composed of these three primary shapes. Now I'm saying this as if I have studied figures for a long time. No, I don't have any experience, but this is from what I have learned so far. Now you just need to know when to use a cylinder and when to use a box and a sphere. So let's start. Now as you can see, the head is going to be an oval, so we're going to draw our oval, and we're going to give this oval a direction. So we're going to place the center line and the brow line, and then we're going to attach this shape here to find the jaw. Okay, the jaw in this angle is a little bit different. We can actually divide this into three, just like this. Perfect. Now the next thing is to draw the neck. The neck looks more like a cylinder than a box or anything else. So we're gonna draw a cylinder. We're gonna draw the torso. Okay, we're gonna draw the rib cage or the torso. Now I need to know where the shoulders are gonna start and how tall the torso is gonna be. So I feel like this is how long it should be, because there is a lot of foreshortening going on, and the best way to represent the torso is to draw a box, right? Now you can also draw a sphere and then later on you shape it into a box. Just draw a sphere, right, for the torso, and then I will use a box to find the planes of this torso. I will find my center line, right? I'll find my center line. I will draw parallel lines to this one just to locate the side plane of my torso. Now we can make the edges round if we want. Okay, just like this. I have to adjust my proportions. Okay, so I reduce the size of the head. All right, now what to do next is to draw the pelvis. Before we draw the pelvis, there is an empty area where the intestine are, okay, the belly. And I think the best way to draw the belly is to draw the cylinder. So we're gonna draw the belly. We're gonna use that as a cylinder, like this. Now we're gonna just draw the pelvis, and I feel like drawing a box is pretty more accurate. Now it's easier to add the legs and so on, and the legs are also cylinders. So these are the legs. Now we're gonna attach the hands. So we're gonna start with the shoulders, and the shoulders you can draw a box, a long box for the shoulder, like this, and add the plane, right? The joint for the box you can draw an oval if you want, like this, and then you draw cylinders for the hand. An oval and another cylinder. This side. All right, now we have the mannequin in this angle. Okay, let's draw another one, this time in a front view. So we're going to start with a circle, and we add the box for the jaw. Like this, right? The next thing is to draw the neck. So the neck is gonna start here. We draw a cylinder. Oh, let me show the side plane. Hold on, let me show the side plane of this better. Okay, like this is better. So we know where the face is looking. Let me even draw a straight line. The next thing is to find the rib cage. Now draw straight line for the shoulders. And one shoulder here. Hold on. I'm coming. Yeah, so the shoulders are gonna be here, right? Now we will draw a straight line. We will find the direction of the torso, right? We find the direction of the torso, and I feel like this is how it's gonna be, just front view. Maybe let me twist it. Let me move it to the left, like this. And now we'll draw a circle for the torso. Right? So this is the circle. We add the box. You can even add the plane of that box. Like this. And now a cylinder for the belly. We can actually draw the pelvis using a sphere, and then we'll combine that with a box. Then we're gonna attach the legs. From here, we'll draw where the legs are gonna be. So we're gonna be using cylinders as well. We draw the knees, which are gonna be just round shape. Now when you draw the hands, it's important to know where they start and where they end. Okay, the elbow. So I feel like the elbow is going to be here. Okay, this is going to be a straight line. You can actually draw straight lines just to find the angle. Okay, you can draw straight line from elbow to elbow. So just draw straight lines if you're not sure about their placement. And then you can go ahead and draw the actual hand. So I'm gonna draw cylinders. Okay, draw the knuckle. and then we draw another cylinder. Now this hand here, you can draw a box if you want. I think the best way to represent it is to draw a box. The same thing here. Even the legs are gonna be a box. So just draw a box. Do not overcomplicate things. Like this. And yeah, I guess that is enough. I think this one is really tall, but it's okay. With practice, you're gonna improve. I will improve with enough practice. So just try to draw this type of mannequin from different angles, and think about planes whenever you draw that, because that allows you to make your drawing look believable, right? Okay, last pose. All right, and then the neck, as you can see, the neck is here. All right, we have the neck, and now we're gonna draw the torso, right? So this is the torso. We can draw a box. I think it's better to draw a box. But as you can see, her shoulders are way high up here, right? So we need to draw the planes. Very important. All right, so we have the box, we have the neck. I think the neck is I made her neck big. So let me adjust that. Now I think this is better. All right, we're gonna draw the belly. Okay, we're gonna draw this cylindrical shape. Let's find the center line of the body, which is here, and it goes in. So her belly is gonna be here. The pelvis. From there, we're gonna just draw the legs. Now think about stick figures. So just find the perspective of those legs. The other leg is here. I'm just drawing stick figures. You can actually draw the gesture. That would be much better. Now we're gonna draw the cylinders. Let's draw the knees. Just circles, not circles, oval, and then the legs. So stick figures, I'll just draw one line. This one is going to be a straight line. There is no curve. And this one is going to be a little bit curvy, just to show tension somewhere around here. There's going to be some tension like this. And as you can see, for this one, I chose to draw the elbow here. All right, as you can see, it makes the process easier if you go from simplifying these complex shapes into simple forms. It really makes the whole process easier, and it saves you a lot of time, because now you're just gonna draw the details on top of this. You're just gonna add secondary elements. Now if you struggle to draw this, practice this, okay? Draw these boxes in different angles, rotate them, draw cylinders, try to draw, for example, sausages for using cylinders, and try to draw them in perspective. Now these are simple poses. There are extreme poses where there's a lot of distortion, there is a lot of overlaps, and I'm going to show you how to do that in another video. So thank you so much. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And you can also support me on Patreon if you are interested in learning how to draw in general. I upload 1 hour weekly demos. Also join me on my Discord server. We have like weekly challenges where we draw a reference photo together, and I post it on my Instagram and here on YouTube as well. So if you want to be part of the challenge, there is the link in the description as well. So thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate it. See you in the next video.